capital I. It is a small I. In this video, we will learn words which begin with letter I. I for
ice cream,
I for
injection,
I for
ink pot,
I for
iPad,
I for
insects,
I for
India,
I for
identity card,
I for
investigation,
I for
imitation,
I for
index,
I for
icons,
I for
igloo,
I for
imagination,
I for
individual,
I for
infrastructure,
I for
injury,
I for
in,
I for
interior decoration,
I for
interview,
I for
iron,
I for
island,
I for
idle,
I for
ill,
I for
imbalance,
I for
import,
I for
impure salt,
I for
income,
I for
instruments,
I for
iris,
I for
ivy,
I for
inch,
I for
industry,
I for
ice,
I for
idea,
I for
icicles,
I for
ice skates,
I for
iguana,
I for
ivory,
I for
infant.
Thank you.